welcome to day 6 of our Advent calendar countdown. Are you ready for another surprise? Let's open the next door. Here we go, opening door 6. Wow, it's a scavenger hunt. Today we are going to go on a holiday scavenger hunt around our home. Here's how it works. I have a list of holiday items for you to find. Let's see if you can find them all. Ready? Here we go! A holiday ornament, a candy cane, a festive decoration, a family photo from the holidays. Let's start looking. I'll give you a minute to find each item. Go, go, go! Did you find everything? Let's see what you discovered. Hold up your items. Wow, those are amazing discoveries. You really have an eye for great finds, and I'm so impressed by your ability to spot such treasures. Thanks for joining me on this scavenger hunt. We'll open another door for more fun. Bye!